To delete a bank account on Crypto.com, start by logging into your Crypto.com account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts section, where you will see a list of all your connected bank accounts. Click on the three dots next to the bank account you want to delete and select the Edit option. This will take you to the bank account details page, where you can view and manage the account information. On the bank account details page, scroll down to the bottom and click on the Remove Account button. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to delete the bank account. Confirm the deletion by clicking on the Yes button. Alternatively, you can also delete a bank account on Crypto.com through the mobile app. To do this, open the Crypto.com app and navigate to the Accounts tab. Tap on the bank account you want to delete. Then tap on the three dots on the top right corner and select the Edit option. On the bank account details page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the Remove Account button. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to delete the bank account. Confirm the deletion by tapping on the Yes button. It is essential to note that deleting a bank account on Crypto.com will not affect any pending transactions or withdrawals. However, it will prevent any future transactions from being made using the deleted bank account. Before deleting a bank account, ensure that you have no pending transactions or withdrawals and that you have sufficient funds in your Crypto.com account to cover any potential fees. It is also crucial to review the Crypto.com terms and conditions to understand the implications of deleting a bank account. By following these steps, you can easily delete a bank account on Crypto.com and manage your account information securely and efficiently. Remember to always prioritize security and follow best practices when managing your cryptocurrency accounts.